In primetime news this evening, 2 cases in 2 days. Jamaica confirms another COVID-19 patient. Global worry. World Health Organization officially declares COVID-19 a pandemic. And government announces multi-billion-dollar contingency fund to fight COVID-19.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, just in case some persons are wondering, the finance minister did open the budget debate yesterday and decided to roll back the GCT. And today, he defended that decision. I'll have those details in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. Now, Jeremy and Brown will have sports later. And the main story, COVID-19 is also affecting sports. Champs is off.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what is your reaction to Jamaica confirming a second imported case of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.